Each day, Americans buy an average of nearly 4 million movie tickets, 1.6 million songs and albums from online resources, 1.6 million rentals from Netflix, and almost 1 million bags of Orville Redenbacher's gourmet popcorn, 600,000 Titleist golf balls, and 500,000 large French fries at Burger King, 7,500 Samsung LCD TVs, and 60 Ford Mustangs on eBay. Now, it is clear from this incomplete list that we are spending our money on things that have temporary stamped on them. Jesus in Matthew 6 says that we should use our resources for things that have eternity written on them. In Matthew 6:19 through 21, Jesus said there were two types of treasures. The first type was accumulated on earth. These treasures were vulnerable to all kinds of decay and theft. These are the types of treasures that they shouldn't lay up for themselves. The alternative was laying up treasures in heaven. Now, he was not saying they could buy their way into heaven, but he was calling his followers to simplify their lives and leverage their time and resources for the sake of people in need. When his followers with pure motives lived selflessly for the marginalized, they would be laying up treasures in heaven. Their hearts would be where their treasures were. How can we determine where our treasure is and thus where our hearts are this Christmas? I believe the following questions can help us. What occupies our thoughts and daydreams when we have nothing else to do? What do we fret about most? Apart from our immediate family members, who or what do we most dread losing? What are the things we measure others by? And what is it that we know that we cannot be happy without? This Christmas, let's pray about and determine how much is enough and release the rest to help others to find the real treasure, Jesus.